Hi viewers, welcome to our channel Kavita Ashok Educational and Motivational Channel. Right. Two questions are there here. Show that tan square theta plus tan power 4 theta is equal to sec power 4 theta minus sec square theta. This is one question. And prove that root of 1 plus cos theta by 1 minus cos theta equal to cosec theta plus cos theta. This is important for 2 marks question and this is important for 4 marks question. One by one we will solve. Right. First take the first question. What is given here? Tan square theta plus tan power 4 theta. Right. We can take tan square theta common first. Then what we can get? 1 plus tan square theta. Now tan square theta. We already know 1 plus tan square theta is nothing but sec square theta. Why? Because sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. So from that here if you take minus to the right part 1 plus tan square theta, then we can get sec square theta. Our answer is in terms of secs. So that's why we will convert this tan into sec form. So tan square theta is a tan square theta. Take this one to the left part. Sec square theta minus 1 will becomes here tan square theta. So in the place of tan square theta we will replace this value. Now sec square theta minus 1 into sec square theta. This is equal to, now multiply sec square theta into sec square theta is sec power 4 theta minus 1 into sec square theta is sec square theta. Once look the answer. Our answer is sec square theta minus sec power 4 theta minus sec square theta. So this is the answer for the first question. Now go for the second. Prove that this is equal to this one. Right. Now first take this one here. Root of 1 plus cos theta by 1 minus cos theta. Here we will use a rationalizing concept. So simply rationalize the denominator part. 1 plus cos theta is z, 1 minus cos theta. The rationalizing factor of 1 minus cos theta is 1 plus cos theta. Just we will multiply and dividing that one. Minus is there, if you take plus, if plus is there, we can take minus. So 1 plus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. Without loss of generality, just we multiplied and dividing the term. So if we cancel this one, we can get only 1. Again, we can get the same term. This is called what? Rationalizing concept. Now this is equal to root of 1 plus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta. This is nothing but 1 plus cos theta whole square. Now this is a minus b into a plus b. A minus b into a plus b is nothing but a square minus b square. So according to that 1 square minus cos square theta. Now this is equal to, we can write this as root of 1 plus cos theta whole square by root of 1 square is 1. So 1 minus cos square theta. Square root get cancelled here. We can get this is 1 plus cos theta by under root of 1 minus cos square theta. We have the form of cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1. This is the first identity. So we want only sin square theta. If you take this cos square theta to the right part, what we can get here? Sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. So in the place of 1 minus cos square theta, simply we will replace sin square theta. Now again square root cancel. So finally what we can get here? 1 plus cos theta by sin theta. Now we can write this as 1 by sin theta plus cos theta by sin theta. This is equal to 1 by sin theta. 1 by sin theta is nothing but the multiplicative inverse of sin. This is cosec theta. And cos by sin is nothing but cot. Once see the answer. Cosec theta plus cos theta. Cosec theta plus cos theta. Like this we can solve the problem. This is very important for 4 marks question. Here the important concept is here rationalizing the denominator and we can use the identity formulas. Here we used one formula and here we used one other formula. So just remember the trigonometric identities. Now 2 more questions. If sec theta plus tan theta is equal to p, then what is the value of sec theta minus tan theta? This is for 2 marks. If cosec theta plus cos theta is equal to k, then prove that cos theta is equal to k square minus 1 by k square plus 1. This is for 4 marks. So these are the end problems for trigonometry. Okay. Listen all the classes one by one, then we can get the grip on the total chapter. So listen carefully. Right. Sec theta, what is given here? Or take let here. Let sec theta plus tan theta is equal to p. Take this as 1. We know that sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. This is our identity. This is in the form of a square minus b square. A square minus b square can be written as a plus b into a minus b. Okay. So for that sake, we will write this as sec theta plus tan theta as one part. Next, sec theta minus tan theta as one part, that is equal to 1. Now, we want sec theta minus tan theta, right? Sec theta minus tan theta is equal to 1 by sec theta plus tan theta. So now, sec theta minus tan theta is equal to 1 by sec theta plus tan theta is already p. So this is p from equation number 1. So finally, what is our answer? Sec theta minus tan theta is equal to 1 by p. So this is the answer for the first question. Now go for the second. What is given here? Again, let cosec theta plus cot theta is equal to k. Again, take this as 1. We know that cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. So this is our identity. Again, a square minus b square form a plus b into a minus b. Cosec theta plus cot theta into cosec theta minus cot theta is equal to 1. We want, already this value is in, we will calculate this one. Cosec theta minus cot theta is equal to 1 by cosec theta plus cot theta. Why? Because into will becomes here by. So now cosec theta minus cot theta is equal to 1 by, in the place of cosec theta plus cos theta, we can replace with k. Take this as equation number 2. Now 1 and 2 implies, what is 1 here? Cosec theta plus cot theta is equal to k. And second equation, cosec theta minus cot theta is equal to 1 by k. First, we will add these two equations. If we add, then cot plus cos theta, cot theta minus cot theta get cancelled. We can get 2 cosec theta is equal to k plus 1 by k. Now, this one, 2 cosec theta is equal to, what we can get here? K square plus 1 by k. K square plus 1 by k. Take this as equation number 3. Now, take one more time the equation. If we subtract, previously we added, now we subtract. So cosec theta plus cot theta is equal to k. Cosec theta minus cot theta is equal to 1 by k. If we subtract, the signs will change, minus plus minus. Then this one get cancelled. This is 2 cot theta is equal to k minus 1 by k. Then 2 cot theta is equal to k square minus 1 by k. Take this as equation number 4. Once observe, k square minus 1 is in the numerator part. So now we will take 4 by 3. equation 4 by equation 3. What is equation 4? 2 cot theta is equal to 2 cot theta by 2 cosec theta is equal to k square minus 1 by k square plus 1 by k. Okay, k get cancelled, 2 could cancel. Cot theta, this is cos theta by sin theta by cosec theta 1 by sin theta. This is equal to k square minus 1 by k square plus 1. Sin theta get cancelled. So finally our answer is here, cos theta is equal to k square minus 1 by k square plus 1. Like this we can solve the problem. Cos theta is equal to k square minus 1 by k square plus 1. Thank you very much.